Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. I'm kind of up above my place, up where my friends live and up past their place. But I thought I'd show you around a little bit. This is the creek. A bunch of the old timers say it used to run year round, but it didn't even run at all last year. But this year it sure is running with all the moisture we got in the winter time. But I thought I'd show you. It's probably 100 degrees out, 101, 102, something like that. Junior, get out of the bushes. Get out of there. Come on. What are you doing over there? Come here. He's gonna get lost. He's half blind. Come on, Junior. But so it's 100 something degrees out here. But here's a little piece of paradise. So this is the pond. You can see the goldfish. I don't know if you guys can see them yet. Oh, now they're running away. Pollywog heaven. Nice and clear. Let's see if I can get the goldfish. No, you can't really see them in the reflection. But this is our little piece of paradise. I'd tell you where it is, but then I'd have to kill you, because not too many people get to come up here. Let's see. How's that look? Looks pretty good to me. Let's go. Take the hat and the glasses off and show you what we do around here.
On KUZZ, Bakersfield's Best Country. That other song I was talking about earlier, Dave's in Picket Trucks.
Woo! That's cold! Woo, that feels good when it's 100. Come on, Junior, over here. Over here, Junior. Over here. These dogs of mine can't swim. They've hardly ever been in the water. It's only like their second time in water that they could swim in. Get, look what I brought. Did I bring a ball? Did I bring a ball? Get it. Get. Scaredy cat.
Which is pretty fun because there's kind of these unopened cases and then to sort of see what treasures are inside.
Let's see if we can get the dogs in the canoe. You want to go for a ride? Come on. Get in. Climb in. In the canoe. Get in. Get in, Junior. Get in. Come on, 2 more feet. Get up in there. Sit down. Get in the canoe. Get in there. Ready? Quiet. Here we go. Hang on. Kid, don't tip us over this time. Hey, sit still. You gotta tip us over.
They'll be there for you when you need them most. Little or big, they'll get your rig. Golden Empire Towing. Hey, bargain shoppers, did you know there's a brand new grocery outlet in your area? At the new grocery outlet,
He found his ball.
with their otherworldly deals on brand name items. Come find amazing deals on fresh produce, meat, dairy, and wine.
Hold
Fresh
on.
finds on every aisle. These are ads.
Well, wait till the water's not so deep.
You know and love. It's no wonder
Yeehaw!
end up feeling such bliss.
Yee-hoo!
All
Alright, land ho! Jump out. That sure makes it feel good when it's 100 something out here. instant cool down. Get the canoe back. But this is just like, this is high desert air conditioning right here. Oh, I'm so glad it came back this year. It didn't fill up at all last year. But over here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right in there, you can see it looks like a trash can lid or something, right? That's the original well to the property. And it used to be like siphon fed. Junior, don't drown. Get out of there. So it was a siphon system, and it went all the way down to the ranch, and it fed the ranch on a siphon system. But now we got tanks and everything. So, and this dried up at one point. So there was no more water, I think, in the drought before this drought. So my friends were even hauling water at one point. But now the system is up on the hill. There's an ag well, and then it feeds a tank, and then that tank feeds a tank way down there, and then that tank feeds the ranch. And then I tapped into that system and ran the line all the way down to my place. So it's pretty exciting. It sure feels good to be here right now when it's 100-something degrees. I was trying to work in the garden. I just was sweating so much I couldn't even see. So decided to bring the dogs up and cool off for a bit. All right, that's it for this time. Adios and God bless.